Hello everybody and welcome to another VideoMediaTV video where we show you how to be successful on social media. Today's topic is how do Twitch streamers make money. So remember to subscribe, also hit the bell icon to never miss a video, and let's get into the video. So we have heard multiple times that people are making money by streaming popular games, but we don't really know how much or how do they make money. So in this video, I'll be telling you how Twitch streamers make money. So first off, what is Twitch? So Twitch is a site where you can stream on basically the same as the YouTube gaming section to stream on, but it has some other features, and there are built-in money-making features that you can get after your first week streaming. Such as YouTube, you do need to wait a while to make some money. Specifically, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. So let's say you started streaming and you have reached 50 followers, 3 average views, and streamed for 7 days in the last month. You can now join the Twitch affiliate program. So by being an affiliate, you will now have a button called subscribe. This is not the ordinary subscribe button like YouTube. If people decide to subscribe to you, they have to pay a monthly subscription starting from $4.99 to I believe to $24.99, and you will receive half of that. So plus you can also have some subscriber perks like custom emotes and custom badges. Also, there will be an icon called bits. People can donate bits. Basically it's Twitch's own currency, and for every bit donated you'll earn 1 cent. So streamers can also make money by directly by using websites such as streamlabs.com, which I will leave in the description, although I won't show you how to do it as I already made a video on it, which there should be an end card right there, or at the end of the video there should be a card as well showing the video. So this is a big deal for anyone who's starting, because you don't have to wait for the threshold of $100 for Twitch. So if you got a subscriber, you can't cash it out. You need to wait for at least like another 50 subscribers to cash out to get $100. So another way is by affiliate sites. For example, Amazon has its own affiliate program. That's why a lot of streamers have the gear linked below. So if someone buys any, the streamers get a cut of what you bought with their special link. Now, of course, you do need to get a larger viewer base to start gaining big sums. For example, I streamed over a year, and now and then, I would stream for an hour. So in total, I have made only $5.79 on Twitch, and I can't even cash it out because I don't have $100 threshold yet. But but if you do consistently gain 80 to 100 viewers, you can then apply for a partner program, which allows you to enable ads on your stream, plus other perks like ad-free viewing experience, unrestricted access to video quality and to broadcast archives, and up to 50 emoticons and more. So by that, Twitch will then start promoting your streams, and if you're lucky enough, brands will start asking you for sponsors too. So an average full-time streamer gets around $2,000 to $6,000 a month, with an average of 1,000 to 10,000 viewers. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to slap the like button and share it with others, as with all my tutorials, or well, this is not technically a tutorial, but this will take time if you're actually gonna do these tips. But if you do these, if you start streaming regularly, you will start to see growth, and also you will start to see more, money coming in. But yeah, so subscribe, push the bell icon to never miss a video. And I don't know if I already said that, but let's try to reach 10 likes for this video. And that's it for me, VideoMediaTV, signing out.